Hello and welcome to the SVS, the Sameer Ved Show. The Duts. Yes, the powerful Duts of our industry. I have a video which I want to play.
And ultimately, see, how much ever we say it, it's only genuinity that lasts longer. Fakeness will fade off.
Put everything because you will be judged on social platforms.
Come from that kind of a background where you heard stories like this from childhood. So, and my dad always said karam pehle.
I want to know एक question जो मुझे आप दोनों से पूछना है. Hello and welcome to the SVS, the Sameer Ved Show. And today we have, well, they don't need introduction. One is ruling the makeup industry from decades, literally ruling. The other one has a talent which is unique, real, and rare. The third one is influencing lots of young people in her own style. The Duts. Yes, the powerful Duts of our industry. But the power comes with a lot of surprises, lot of hidden secrets, and lot of responsibility. So let's see what's their side of story. Welcome, ladies, on my show.
Thank you.
So good to see three of you together on my couch for the very first time. It's your debut, Nathan.
Yes, it
How are you
is.
feeling?
Yes.
Super excited.
Super excited?
Yeah.
Nervous? Mixed feelings?
Not
or
nervous,
thrilled?
excited, happy.
Amazing, amazing is the word for three of you. You girls are doing brilliant, and as I mentioned, the powerful ducks.
Yeah.
That is what you
The
girls
Kardashians
are.
of Delhi.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Keep up.
Exactly. That's what people also say, and people love you the way you.
Nobody
are
can
ruling
keep
the
up with
industry.
the Ducks.
Absolutely no one.
Full of
Absolutely.
energy and surprises.
The surprises are on the way.
Yeah.
The shocks are on the way.
I know, I've been told I'm waiting.
But let's do this, okay? So, Nathan, let me start with you.
All
Okay?
right.
You got married
Mhm.
in a family which is already so powerful on social media and real life. How did you manage to cope up with the whole new culture of of her life, and you have a friend now, Shivangi. How did you manage to do
So I really didn't need to cope up. I've known them for years before I got married. I was dating Kartikeya for 7 years.
that? Right.
I've known them, I've spent time with them, and they're so grounded, humble people. I never felt like, oh, I'm coming from this family and I'm entering this family. It was like one family. It was a sweet, simple transition.
We are still one family.
We're still one family. And
That is
people ask
sweet.
me, how is it? How is
Yeah.
it now that you're married? And my answer is like, it's the same, it's the same.
Yeah.
Everything's, no big transition has happened.
Right.
And Shivangi's not a friend, Shivangi's a sister.
How sweet. But did your move into this family got any restrictions? ये मत करना, ये करना, इतने बजे सोना, ये ऐसे होना, ये
Oh,
कपड़े
after I
मत
got
पहनना.
married.
After
No, it's the
marriage.
opposite. She's
Yeah.
like, ye kyun pehna, ye pehn le, do whatever you want. And Katie's like, no, wait. It's just the opposite. She's
Katie is the real mother-in-law. not me.
exactly, and she's my soulmate.
Yeah. So you gel well with the whole
Very
vibe
well.
of the family. Yeah. How did your comfort level with her when she became a family member? I know, पहले से friends, so फिर sisters बने, and then how was it? Like एक होता है ना, आपकी space में एक नया member आया है. So how did you react?
I think for me, it was more like how I would imagine myself going into a house. I just want her to feel like totally relaxed, like this is her home, while also not imposing it on her. Ki, not that being like over this thing, ki, taking too much care. It's like let her be, because I think Netal and I kind of resonate with each other on that vibe. Is like live and let live.
Right.
So just being. And then it's not like we need to excessively spend time together. It's like we know when we have comfortable silence, when we're around each other, and when we're talking, it's like tap, 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 tap. We can talk about everything and nothing.
Right.
So that's really beautiful. And I really like having a female sibling kind of a relationship at
Which you
home.
missed.
Which she didn't have.
Which I didn't really have, yeah.
Yes. How did you girls, okay, before coming to you, how did you girls have, your aura, your upbringing is so different from most of the girls that we have seen. You have a class when you talk. You have etiquette. You have that simplicity, yet glamorous. Was this taught to you girls when you were growing up, or it was just, up, like, inbuilt from you, like watching movies or school or friend circle? I'll start with you for this.
For me, I feel like I'm a lady who speaks very less.
Hmm.
But when I say it, I want to be heard.
Hmm.
I want my point across. But yeah, definitely, when you do grow up, there are so many outside environments that alter you, that change you, and subconsciously you absorb them.
Right.
My mother is very soft spoken, so I think I got that from her, that shyness, that elegance,
Right.
and that's what framed my character growing up.
Wow. How about you?
I think for me, I just saw lots of chatter around at home.
Right.
And at a very young age, as far as I can remember being a kid, it taught me to have resolution within myself. So I didn't feel the need to blurt out everything I feel or think. At the same time, it did create my outward personality, and inwardly, I think things you're influenced by growing up, which you can't really pinpoint.
Right.
It's very simple details that you pick up. The way someone writes, like I would pick up handwriting. I'm like, oh, I like that, and I'll incorporate it.
Hmm.
So I think somewhere along the line, I picked up a lot from the people I have met, like simple people, my friends, my classmates, and it made me realize that what I hold authentic and what I take from that. So it's like a nice mix of being influenced,
Right.
influencing,
Right.
and also like finding your truth.
Exactly.
So,
Because you know
yeah.
what? I had a picture, a lot of people had a picture about you before knowing you well. Like, oh, she must be full of attitude. She must be snobbish. She is glamorous. Oh, she won't say hi to me in public.
Oh my God.
But then, you are grounded. I've seen you in parties. I've seen you how comfortable I am with you. And same goes with you, You have a different image on social media. Like, uh, like your mom, she is what she is. Like, how she is on social media, she is exactly like that as a
Mhm.
person. But I feel, I might be wrong, you girls have created a kind of barrier,
Mhm.
like not to put so much personal life out
Yeah.
there and just be there, and then, am I right or wrong?
I think it's because, at least for me, I grew up with social media.
Hmm.
So for me, social media is something I've known since childhood. It's
Hmm.
not something that came to me after like a certain age,
Right.
right? So you already have that bachpan ka time where you kind of share your life and everything. And after a point when you realize that social media has grown to a point where your life is so accessible,
Right.
it's a choice.
Hmm.
Do I want to make my life accessible? Am I comfortable with it? I personally am not.
Hmm.
So it's like, if I'm not comfortable with something, I'm not going to do it.
And whatever you post on the social media platform, you are comfortable, and that's you. That's what you
I
do.
would say there are certain times I'm doing things that are not 100% me, but I also look at particularly Instagram, as like a place of work.
Right.
So I do ideally want to portray myself as I would want to, give my point out, say certain things, but there's just like this is social media universe.
Hmm.
So it's like better to just be the Shivanshi rather than
Yes.
me.
Rather than Riya or Shivangi?
I think of myself in Riya.
Riya.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think of yourself on social media?
I'm still trying to be more active on social media, but yeah, I am very selective when it comes to what I do want to show, what I don't want to show. Right now, I'm still getting into the entire influencing culture. I'm still trying to make content, create new content, think of ideas that are more me.
Hmm.
So I'm still figuring that bit out.
Amazing. I love the girls you are so honest. These are the real honest girls. Now, you are the honest. You're the born honest person, right? Tell me.
I'm enough for them. ये इतना बोलती है हम
Tell me, ma'am, how do you, your real life and your real life is like this. There is no filter.
that is in last few years.
In last few years.
It
What
wasn't
made you
it
change
wasn't
that?
like that.
What made you change?
I also used to put up a lot of fake things, which was not really sorry,
No problem.
it was not really me.
Hmm.
And I was just trying to ape everyone else
Hmm.
and trying to build an image of all the time looking good, all the time, trying to pose, all the time trying to say things which were politically correct.
Hmm.
Now that is not me.
Hmm.
अब कब तक fake बनते रहोगे ना?
Hmm.
So there came a point where I said, I care a damn.
Which
ऐसा भाई
point
अगर
was
ये
that?
करना है तो ऐसे करना है जैसे मैं हूँ, नहीं तो नहीं करना.
ये कब आपको what was the
This
turn?
came about, I think, 4-5 years ago, just a little before COVID. I think 2018, I started changing.
Okay.
And I realized that this is not going to go on because, eventually there was a time when you start, looking back at your life. You start looking back at the decades that you have been, the struggles, the issues, whatever things have happened in your life. So when you are nearing like maybe mid 40s or late 40s or something, you suddenly look back and you're like, this happens to mostly everyone I've seen around my age. And you're like, हो गया भाई, हो गया. We are hitting half the century. अब हम क्या मतलब हम किसके लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? Whom are you be trying to impress for what? And to gain what? And I am from the era of no social media. So if I was successful at that time where there was no social media and the kind of fame and the kind of celebrities I've worked with and the kind of coming in newspapers every day, coming in magazines, articles, I never had to pay for anything. Everything came for free because of my hard work, my talent, my personality, which was so genuine. So if I have worked all those years with just that genuinity, without having to take validation from people, so why should I succumb to it now?
Right. Very well said.
Why should I just become something that I am not just to, let people talk about me? Who are these people? Are they funding me? Are they paying my bills? They're doing nothing to me. In fact, I also realize the clients who are coming to me, the students who are coming to me, the people who are actually paying us, my franchisee partners, they are all the people who actually are not even so much onto social media. They are the people who genuinely are looking for careers. They are the hard-working lot. So ये जो टुकड़े घूम रहे हैं, ये अगर मेरे फॉलोअर्स बढ़ा भी देते हैं तो उससे मुझे कोई बिजनेस नहीं मिलता है, मुझे पैसा नहीं मिलता है. And I feel ultimately, if I have to spend so many hours in the day working, I have to count the amount of money that's coming to my bank. If I'm putting in that effort.
Right.
अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है तो ये नंबर से क्या करना है मुझे?
क्या फायदा है?
इतने मिलियन फॉलोअर्स, उतने मिलियन फॉलोअर्स से क्या हो जाएगा? And ultimately, see, how much ever we say it, it's only genuinity that lasts longer. Fakeness will fade away.
Fade away. You girls think the same?
Yeah,
Or
100%.
this is because of her experience in life. Yeah.
No, I think it's pretty much the same. It's like how she's authentic
I think
to herself.
at any age,
Yeah,
this is something जो जितनी जल्दी समझ जाए, जो
yeah.
जितनी जल्दी संभल जाए, उसी का भला है.
You gotta start living.
Yeah.
At one point of time, you can't live for people. Up to one point, you're like, no, man, like, I need to live for myself now.
Right. Neither you are from modeling background,
Mhm.
right? They're from makeup industry,
Mhm.
which is two different sides.
But they
on
go
social
hand in
platforms.
hand.
Go hand in
Exactly.
hand.
In terms of what you show and what you don't show.
Mhm.
Like I have seen a lot of models don't show their personal life unless until they need a kind of attention from people.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You think that your modeling life is a kind of because you are into a that modeling circle and everything. You cannot put everything because you will be judged on social platform today.
Not really. I don't. I feel like it's a personal choice. If someone wants to show that side of their life, they're more than welcome to. And then it depends what you do want to show. But nowadays, a lot of models are turning into influencers. Now it's just not one career. Thanks to social media, so many other platforms have opened up, and that freedom has come. So now, if I want to get into videography, photography, makeup, modeling, they all go hand in hand because they're all in front of the camera.
Right.
And then at the end, we are on social media because we want some entertainment. We want some we want entertainment.
Yeah.
So we'll create content which is funny,
Yeah.
creative,
Yes.
engagement.
Yes.
Then now it's up to the influencer what sort of content they want to create.
Right.
If they want to do beauty, if they want to do some funny skit.
Right.
So it depends on all of that.
Very well said. Yeah.
Entertainment is, of course, a very big part of influencers,
Yeah.
which should be there.
Hmm.
Because after all, audience is not just here to listen to Gyan.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It's very boring.
Yes.
आप पूजा भी करोगे, अगर आप
Right.
prayer, meditation भी करोगे तो 24 घंटे तो नहीं कर सकते ना.
Exactly.
You need to
need
laugh,
to
you need
laugh.
to
Make
dance,
people
you
laugh.
need to,
Yeah,
even
yeah.
as a person, you need to entertain even your own self. You need to
Agree.
eat, you need to drink,
Right.
and influencing way. So many times, there's so many places we don't know about.
Hmm.
Being in the same city or when we are traveling. So influencers show us a lot more than our eyes would see.
Exactly.
You know, and
Yeah.
also a lot of relationship goals, a lot of work ideas. So a lot goes behind being an influencer. But as long as it's positive, with humor, with a little sarcasm, it's fine.
Hmm.
But hitting below the belt and just trying to become famous just for the heck of it, I don't think that works.
So I think people have become, a lot of mature and understanding कि क्या आप दिखा रहे हो वो कितना सही है और क्या नहीं दिखा रहे हो वो कितना गलत है. Now I'm going to get a little personal, moving towards the end of the show, So tell me something. You three together are women power today. There are a lot of factors जो ऐसे होते हैं ना कि खुद को पता नहीं होता कि बाहर वाले क्या देख रहे हैं और बाहर वालों को पता होता है कि you three have set an example for so many girls out there who want to become something, who is trying every day. But ये है कि आपको या तो लोग क्या कहेंगे में वो कहीं ना कहीं पिस जाते हैं कि वो होगा. एक होता है आपके पार्टनर से आपको सपोर्ट ना मिलता है. I have known this that you have been, the women sir have supported you throughout your life. We have heard it. How supportive your partner is, whatever you want to do in your career today.
So,
Or
I'm
it's the support from the girls more.
everyone, family needs to support family.
Hmm.
If even one member is like, no, I don't support this idea, but then others will be like, listen, I do. And then you weigh in and you have a conversation and you say your point, and then you hear their
And then
point, and you have a
conflicts.
very healthy conversation. And
Yes.
then there's time you agree to disagree
Right.
and you move on.
Right.
But for example, okay, for this thing, okay, I'm not going to agree with you right now because I don't support this. Later, maybe after 10 years, 5 years, whatever, be like, listen, now it makes sense to me.
Right. Right. Do your partner support you or it's from
Yeah,
your family?
100%.
Yeah.
I have abundance of support in my life.
Right. So when you want to do something, you want to post something, you go to your partner, you go to your mom.
I go to my partner because we have if it's very work oriented, then of course my mom or my brother or Neetal, they're better to consult because they know this industry. But in general, I can speak very openly to my partner and I'm very open to his opinion as a viewer,
Right.
because he's not from this scene. So as a person who is just going through something, how much does it hit you? What do you think about this?
Right.
And he's cool. He sends me ideas. He supports what I think, how I am. It's just like it's
So when the
perfect.
school partner is
He just loves
getting
her.
name attached to the ducks,
Uh,
when the school partner is getting name attached to the ducks.
well, it's attached to me already.
Yeah.
So whenever it has to be, it will be.
So does she just have a pressure of शादी कर ले अब
No,
चलते?
no, not at all.
No.
In
We
fact,
don't
the person
pressurize
I
each
feel
other.
my-
Family supports family.
Yeah,
Family
family
support.
supports family, and I wouldn't even call it pressure. I think it's a willingness
Right.
that just comes, and it's
Right.
like for me, it's like yes, I'm very willing to be married at any given point, and when the time is right, it'll flow together.
In season 1 when you came with her, I remember you said that जो भी लड़का होगा देखते हैं क्या है. Today, whatever guy, whomsoever she is with, you approve that
Yes.
person?
I've known him since he was a baby.
Yeah.
It's all in the family.
It's all in the family, so you approve that.
So I can't even reveal what.
For the next season.
For the next season.
New secret.
इसने कांड क्या किया
There's
मुझे
no
पता
can't.
नहीं।
It's just like the
He's
flow of
kind. He's a
life.
wonderful guy.
He's the best.
He's the best.
Yeah.
So we are very happy. Yeah.
Oh,
Of
I can read
course.
between the lines here. Okay, so it's same in the family, and then the comfort level is there, and then it's
Yes.
accepting
Yeah,
and
it's a
everything.
long story.
Yes.
It's a long story. I love your shoes, by the way.
Thank you
मतलब
very
मैं ऐसे
much.
देख रहा हूँ कि where do you get it from?
Mom got them from Thailand, if I'm not wrong. Philippines or Thailand, one of the places you traveled to. Maybe
Six
like
years ago.
7
No,
years
no,
ago.
longer.
No, not longer. I was in college.
You were in school.
Mama, I was in
Arey, I'm
college.
telling you.
I
तब से पाँव
was in
size एक ही है
college.
इसका.
Same here.
I'm young. I have
Yeah.
sharper memory of lot of things.
So, yeah, 6 years. They're beautiful. which of course the camera.
Thanks
should
to
go-
her,
yes.
because if any shoe you get like this with leather in these many years, it would be ruined.
Yes. So this
So
is
it's
a
intact.
Actually, most of our shopping, whether she likes it or not, I do it.
Yeah.
Even this outfit had come for me.
I just take stuff from her either way.
And otherwise, also when I go shopping, I'm like, oh, this is for Ria, this is for Ria. And when I come home, she's like, okay, thanks, mom.
Do
I
you
didn't
do it
need
for
it.
her also?
No,
Yeah.
there was a
Right,
stage where I used to give mom off. I'm like, stop shopping for me. I don't want it. Like, I would be like really retaliating against it.
Right.
Now I've come to a point that this is just what she does.
Yeah.
Like,
Pamper,
let
yeah,
her
that's
be
mom,
and
that's
I'll
mother
She's
just
like,
be.
मैं
comfort.
कितना भी मना करूंगी, ये
Anna
करेगी.
to
Yeah,
hai. I love your outfit also. Where it is from?
Thank you. So, Shichi Mami got it. From where?
New York.
From New York.
Soho. Yeah.
Nice. Amazing. The vibe is so opposite yet intact. You girls are rocking. Okay. So let me get a little personal. Okay. You had a very bad phase recently. You went through a very bad phase where, to begin with, your first shock was losing Kiwi. Yeah, that was, I think, because everybody had
Last
seen
few
how
months
attached you were from Kiwi, and I remember, the whole process of Kriya and everything which was there, which, where she was also.
Kiwi was my third child.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm
Because
sure.
then I got her when the kids were teenagers. And, so she was like the third child, and that vacuum of having, my husband wanted a third baby.
Hmm,
He said, ये बच्चे तो हमारे बड़े हो गए, अब हम तीसरा बच्चा करते हैं, तो I got Kiwi.
right.
So she just filled the vacuum, and because the kids were too busy in their lives, so I was the one taking care of her
Right.
initially.
Right.
yeah,
So you
so-
also lost a big part of your life.
God,
right?
Kiwi and I grew up together.
Right.
So like for me, and like I used to spend growing up, I used to spend a large amount of my time at home alone. So like my parents were working. Bhai and I had a phase where he was in his own life. He was a teenager older than me, and I was in my own zone. And phones had just come into power, and social media had. So like, and then you have your own lives, right? So Kiwi was like one person. Like I used to not really study, but I would just have her around.
Right.
And it was like having this little and she wasn't just like a dog, it was more like
Actually, when you have
she
dogs,
has her own thing, so you're hanging out with another person,
Right.
just the way Snowy is now. Like you're hanging out with
Right.
Snowy, you're not just
Right.
like petting a dog, you're
Yeah.
really hanging out with her. So you really feel, and like over years you just create that connectivity and that closeness. When her last few days, I was traveling for a week. Last 2 days she fell ill, and I came back to Delhi, and for a week she was ill. My body did not let me sleep in my room because she was blind by that time and she couldn't walk properly. So my body just told me, you go down, you put the mattress, you put the carpet, and you sleep there so you can keep seeing what she's doing. So it was like inherently you get so attached to a person or a puppy, anyone, that your mind, body, subconscious mind dictates what actions you're going to take. So losing her
So
for
after
everyone
coming
was very
Snowy,
heavy.
she replaced Kiwi's life.
You can't
No,
replace
no,
Kiwi,
Yeah.
but Snowy is Snowy. Like she brings the energy. She's like this energetic, crazy girl, just wants to play, just wants to love. Like Kiwi, you couldn't pick her up just like that. वैसे
Right.
काटने को आती थी. And then Kiwi के साथ ऐसा होता था कि मतलब she was very moody. But
Right.
Snowy, she's like the stale dog. She just go where you go. She'll just sit. You'll tell her come. You'll take her to Godi. You can
But
pet
she's
her.
more of Sabina's dog.
Now she.
Yeah, she's addicted to
She's
Sabina.
just Sabina's
Because Sabina
dog.
spends maximum time with her.
I know.
Sabina is your help.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Then after the Kiwi incident happened and you girls were coming out of that trauma, then Dad, left you all. How did you manage that time? What was the feeling that all three was you going? How close were you with
Nana?
Nanaji?
Very close.
Very
Yeah.
They built a house in Dharamshala. So since COVID, every year, me and my sister and Kiri, we used to go to COVID to celebrate our birthday. And this one time, Nana's like, okay, no, I'm going to drive you girls there. So we sat in the car and he's like, okay, 12 baj gaye, apni ye lo, you take the glass, you open the champagne, okay, now we'll party. Then I remember we stopped at Subway and he's like, guys, I want to move my body. So he started doing jumping jacks. He wasn't like
The
Nana, he
ball
was
of
like a
energy.
friend.
Yeah.
And then
He was
later,
actually the youngest friend we had.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was the youngest friend.
How did you manage to? You still are not, you're not out of it yet. How
Nobody
did you
can be ever
manage
out of
to
it.
be, because see, you girls are public figure. You have to be in public, right? how did you manage to shift that thing and focus more on work, all on your Instagram, all on today's world where और ऐसा नहीं लगा कि phone छोड़ दो यार सब छोड़ दो because you've lost your dad. How did you manage to come out of it?
Especially me, I did both. I actually went through this bad emotional trauma, grief, because lot other things also happened around me, not just him. It was, I think, I would say, in a way, life has been a blessing. Whatever tough phases I've seen, it hasn't been this bad. So this year has shown us a lot of tough phases. So for me, but I think because ultimately you have to move on, and then also I have to see I'm in a business where it's just not my business. My children are involved in this business. They have put in their hard work for years. They also have a future in this business. So I think because of my children getting involved in it, I had to keep up my strong stand. Otherwise, for them I was doing it because there was a time when I just want to give up. I was in a very bad traumatic stage,
Right.
and I can't even explain to you what and all I went through because I was literally getting into depression. I was getting into the griefs that she knows. Drop of the hat, I would start crying, and not crying. It would be like howling, and howling anywhere. It could be just anywhere in an airport, in the flight. It could be just anywhere, and it was so bad. And but I suppose I think this travel did a little good to me. Not initially,
Hmm.
but towards the end,
Hmm.
it just helped me heal a little better.
Right.
Better. I'm still not over it. Yeah.
Right. Ma'am, tell me something. So there were a lot of. So when you used to put pictures and videos with dad, everybody used to love it. They used to share.
They
so
loved my dad.
They loved your
They
dad.
loved my
you.
dad. I've yet to see anyone love someone's dad so much.
Yeah.
Dad and mom.
Yes.
I
yes.
don't think people love other people's dad and mom like they love my
Right.
dad and
They
mom.
did. They
And
did.
I remember when my mother's bindi got removed. And everybody was like, tell Nani to put a bindi back or tell Dadi, whatever they would call her, apni bindi wapas lagaye. Then we took a promise from my mom, me and my brother, that aap apni bindi wapas laoge. So she said कि हाँ मैं लाऊंगी but अपने time पे लाऊंगी. And then after dad's puja in Dharamshala, she put that orange bindi, the Bhagwan ka Hanuman ka bindi.
Yes, we saw that.
So she says कि चलो मैंने कुछ तो लगाया.
Yes. Yes.
So we didn't want to force her also because see, it's her way of. She comes from a traditional background,
Right,
and
right.
they don't believe in all this. So it's okay. We have to let her be. We have to
Exactly.
let her do what she wants to do,
Yeah.
not what we would want her to do.
Hmm.
She is not living a social media life. She's living a real life. She lost her husband of 54 years. So it's a different generation, different bringing up, and the emotions are different.
So my question now here is, so when we used to post stories with Daniel, everybody loved it, and then when you posted, when once he passed away, the next day you were traveling for work and you put a story with all, you got ready, and you were in the car and you put a story where there were few people who actually kind of trolled you in that story कि अभी Nana ji गुजरे हैं और next day she is getting ready, getting in the car and working as if कुछ हुआ ही नहीं हो. ये वही लोग हैं जो वावा करते थे आपकी और dad की story.
I don't know about this because no one told me on my face.
Yes, not on your
So
face.
मेरे face पे कोई बोल के दिखा दे.
Right.
I am a Fauji's daughter. My dad was in the sea both the times when his parents expired.
Right.
And when he came back, he just sent a letter or I think my Dadaji even expired before my dad's marriage.
Right.
But whatever my dad told me. And then during my Dadi's time, I remember dad sending a voice note through the walkie-talkie or whatever, जो ship में होगा for his mother, which came to us, I don't know how we heard it, or maybe a tape, I don't know how, whatever he sent for his mother. And we realized that, this is the way he dealt with his parents' death. So, and every time, from childhood, my father has always talked about death. That this is the reality, and when you sign up as a soldier, you tell your wife, be ready to be a widow. So day one से ही मेरी माँ 71 war में December 3rd को war शुरू हुई थी, and 3rd को दोपहर को my dad went and booked my first birthday cake for 5th December, and 3rd the war was announced in Devi Nagar. You know, all soldiers please report to the ships. So imagine my mother was married for a year or 2 years, and I was it was my first birthday, and my dad is going for war. So and then 3 ships went to war: Krishna, Kukri, Kaveri. So after on the 5th को 3rd को war शुरू हुई है. I think on 6th or 7th or 5th, I don't know, they announced that out of the 3 ships, one is पाकिस्तान से आ गया था मैसेज कि one is under our हमने पकड़ लिया है, and one has drowned and one has escaped. So my mother doesn't know at that time which ship has escaped, which has drowned.
And which was
And
caught.
after 124 hours, they came to know that Kaveri, Kukri has drowned, and Krishna and Kaveri are safe. My dad was in Krishna. My dad saw with his binoculars that ship drowning.
Oh my God.
Okay, so my mother has told us from childhood the stories of how she used to hear the widows screaming, the young, you know, because buildings Navy
Yeah.
Nagar में कम थी तब,
Right.
and how the, you know, रात को चीखों की आवाजें आती थी जिनके husbands की death हो गई.
Right.
So when you come from that kind of a background where you have heard stories like this from childhood, so, and my dad always said karam pehle bhai, you know, and I don't know why I don't do so many brides anymore. I don't even promote myself so much as a bridal makeup artist, because now we, you know, Shivangi
Yeah.
does, or my staff does.
Yeah.
Very soon Netal will be
Yeah,
starting
yes.
now.
Yes.
So, you know, so, and it's just a coincidence that my dad, his demise was on 24th, and 26th, 27th, 20, in fact on 23rd also I had a bride, 26th I had a bride, 27th I had a bride, and I'm like, इतने 2 महीने से कोई bride नहीं थी, अब dad को तभी जाना था जब bride थी. You know, it is, I think he wanted me to work. He was checking my
So that your mind is somewhere
mind
else.
is somewhere
and don't
else.
go on depression. In depression.
I still went.
Yeah. How did you
It
come out
was-
of it?
I think the
Because
change of
depression
change
is
of
a
and-
strong word.
yeah.
You went in depression, right?
Depression, matlab, see, I am a very strong person that
Hmm.
way, because I can, you know, come out of it. But then before I could get too much into it, I came out of it. So somewhere down the line, I took a control of my emotions, my thoughts, my grief, and everything, and I realized that, well, you know, life goes on, and
Right.
I have limited years left now on earth, so I might as well enjoy whatever is left.
worthwhile.
Make
So
it
eventually,
worthwhile.
पापा को मिल ही लेंगे heaven में.
How's-
You know, although अभी भी यहाँ आते हुए, every time I'm alone, every time looking out, I'm like, why did you go, Dad? Just come back. It's like that all the time, and I think that happens to everyone who's lost a parent.
Yes,
You know,
Yes.
and
Do you feel him?
yeah, I feel him.
You do?
I feel him putting his fingers in my fingers like
You do?
this. I feel
Yeah.
him kissing me. I feel him touching me. I feel him all around me. It's really tough. You know, in my life, of all the men, he was the man. He was the man. How much ever my husband is there for me and he's been a husband, the real man was my dad.
Dads are dads.
Yeah.
And my dad being a very,
Oh.
very.
Okay. You
That's
okay?
okay. Yeah,
I'm sorry to
okay.
ask you this.
That's okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. I'm okay. I
Yeah.
have two beautiful
Yes. Yeah.
daughters next to me
So
to live
you're
for,
allowed
to
You're
live
so
happy.
strong.
Yeah.
You know, we say you're the man of the house. Yeah. We all and we are.
ज़्यादा मत बोलो भाई, मेरा man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still have a man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not the man of the house. I'm like probably the binding factor with my, you know, energy.
No,
with
I
my-
think the females of the house really transform the energy of the home. Like the man can do what he does, but
Right.
the female of the house is actually the one who sets the tone. It's
Right.
given in like the way we think of like the society and everything that dad sets the tone.
Right.
But once the female decides this is okay, that's when it's actually okay. It's always like either the mother of the house or any other female in the house that is really kind of like creating that environment for everybody, and it's very nurturing as well.
Right. 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 What was your mental state when these things were happening around you? Like, how
Um,
did you cope up to it? Or it's like कि because इतना environment इतना low हो जाता है, इतना sad हो जाता है, and then somebody needs to be strong so that
You know, it
you
was a
can
little
take
sad
it ahead
because
from
they
there.
had just got married.
That's what I
November, they
wanted to
got
know. Like,
married.
you
but he
got
was
married and
glad that he saw it. He was
He
there
saw the
for
wedding.
the engagement, for
And
the
we were
marriage.
actually
Everything.
prepared because 2.5 years he was suffering a lot. So I actually, when I went for my MD in Varanasi opening, I went to Kashi Vishwanath and we had VVIP darshan and the Pandit said, "आपना शिवलिंग को ज्योतिर्लिंग है, आप उसको स्पर्श करके जो मांगोगे मिलेगा."
Hmm.
I only asked for dad's mukti.
Hmm.
I said, because I would see him crying in the night with his tears, and he would say, Minna, why isn't God calling me? Why am I suffering like this? So, to see him suffer was the worst. Either he would have been normal, but
Hmm.
for two, and last 4 months he was with me.
Do you believe in this? Like when I was very close to my nanny, okay, and when my nanny was on her last days, initially 3 days, and I have seen this, she used to see her mom standing in front of her, and she used to tell her mom's name, which I never knew. So I asked my mom, I said, whom she is calling that name? She's like, that is my nanny, my mom said. And she used to call, and then like
There
72
are always
hours.
signs.
Yeah, like my nanny could see her mom. She was telling her name ki le
You
ja,
know, when
le
my
ja.
mother said कि आज पापा की तबीयत ज़्यादा खराब हो रही है, I just put my head on his head and I said, Mom, he's going. In next 24 hours, he was gone.
Oh my.
I told my mom this, he's going. Just by touching his head, I could tell that he's going.
Hmm.
And he went and he waited for me because our mother took him to the hospital. He waited for me. I reached in 10 minutes, he closed his eyes.
Hmm.
My nanny waited for me. I was the only person there when she died. My dad waited for me. In fact, I felt very, very bad about this. That why these people who I was closest to, my nanny and my dad. In my life, I'm close. More than my mom, more than anyone else, I've been closest to my nanny and my dad. I said, these two people, why did they die in front of me? Why did they leave their last breath in front of me, not in front of anyone else? Then I spoke to one of my gurujis. He's more of a guiding guruji. According to him, he says, you are a beautiful soul.
Hmm.
He says, आपको देख के उनकी तृष्णा टूटी है.
Hmm.
जब तक उनकी तृष्णा नहीं टूटेगी, वो मोक्ष नहीं पाएंगे.
Now we are talking about this. I want to know, you went for a tantric puja
Yeah.
or a puja. I want to know about this because I'm very curious about that puja. Why did that puja happen? Where did you go? And then
Tantric
you got
pujas.
scared also while this. I want to know about
I don't get scared. I mean, it's a puja.
मैं होता तो मैं तो सीखे मारता.
मैं खुद ही इतनी तांत्रिक टाइप देवी हूँ. भगवान मुझसे डर जाएंगे थोड़ा. ये कहाँ से भूतनी आ गई है. So I'll tell you what happens is sometimes a lot of things go wrong in your life.
Hmm.
So then we start, how much ever we pray, how much ever we talk about strength from God, our meditation, but there are people who are doing evil things to you.
You
which we
believe
don't.
in that?
I believe in it.
You believe in that?
I can. I mean, I can believe anything I want. It's just a way of like just
She's
being.
like, I don't care. Even
It's
what
okay.
to
mean,
do that.
it's okay.
At her age, even I wouldn't. But now with time, I have seen, I did my master class in Toronto and I was fine. I was normal. I did a whole class. I came back. Of course, when I came back, I was, I put my head on my brother's body and I was crying, remembering dad. That was, of course, another issue. But next day when I woke up, I had this horrible pain in my back, like a spasm, going into my arm. थोड़ा कम था. Third day, fourth day तक I could not lift my arm. My right hand I could not lift. I had not lifted anything. मैं नॉर्मल मेकअप ही तो किया था, वो तो मैं हर रोज करती हूँ. मैंने कोई सामान नहीं उठाया था, मैंने कुछ ऐसा झटका नहीं किया था, मैंने कहीं एक्सरसाइज नहीं की थी. And the morning after the master class this happened. And उसके 4 दिन बाद, then when I was in New York, these fingers stopped working. So I believe there are 4. These are just the recent incidents. ऐसे बहुत होते हैं मेरे साथ. Whenever I do an opening of a salon, I mean, I'm one of my franchisees, or I do something very big, suddenly something bad will happen the very next day, or something that will maybe physically for me, or something to do, something that will stop me, try to stop me. This has been, it's a pattern going on for very, very long.
Long time. So you
So I
performed the
believe
puja.
that there are people who are trying to see, you have to understand there are all kind of people in the world. So there are people who are actually, I mean, I also remember in 2015 I had gone to America for a tour, and I came back and somebody, complained in some tax department that she is doing this. And luckily our papers were all in order, so it was not a big thing. But and that guy, the officer told me, said, your competitors calling us 20 times a day. कि उसको पकड़ो, उसको पकड़ो. So, I mean, things, people can go to any extent to put you down is unbelievable.
Do you believe in black magic?
I believe in Nazar. I believe in evil force. I believe that people are not happy when you're genuinely happy. So-
but there are few people who are happy when you're happy.
Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
There are a
yeah.
lot of people
Yeah.
who
Maybe
are
it's a
not
very
happy when you're
small
happy.
amount, but there are people.
It cannot even be a physical thing. It's just like, okay, I like that. I might not even think it, but maybe it's come from a negative source, so it might just hit you in some way. So it's very
When
important
they
to
say
protect
when you're
yourself.
trying to do something big, don't talk about it.
Yeah.
But you have
But
you
let
done
me
those
tell you, in
courses
our
around
business,
you?
if we don't talk about it, how will we do it?
How we will earn? Because that is our
That is our
brand, is our
business.
money.
Then
हम
you
जब
leave it
तक
up to God.
हम
Yeah,
जब
you
Like
तक
you
leave it up
take.
to God.
हम जब तक भोंपू नहीं बजाएंगे
तब तक कैसे
तब तक
होगा?
कैसे सुनेगा ना?
हाँ, आपने कभी spirits होती है? मतलब
नहीं,
nothing,
नहीं.
right?
No, it's not like a
that.
bhutia thing, and I think a lot of it has to do with just like how she said nazar. That could be a thing, but at the end of it, it's more like being solution oriented. Like if some situation goes wrong, like in your health, money, relationship, body, whatever, life. It's more about just doing what you need to do to get it out,
Right.
rather than pointing out and sitting with the fact that, oh, there is some evil force.
What
and-
you think you attract. So
exactly.
think
The more you
positive.
think about the negativity and the evil, the more it'll always be around. So the moment you get into a state of gratitude or oh, I'm blessed, you start seeing like, oh, that happened, oh, I'm blessed, oh, that happened, oh, I'm blessed. So it's like there's always a balance in the world. There will be good and there will be like some type of an evil, but how much attention you pay on something will enhance in your life.
When you're talking about this tantric temple and
Yeah.
actually when I decided to go to Kamakhya Devi temple, which is a tantric temple, had nothing to do with tantric temple. It was just that I recently started praying to Devis. I was always doing like Hanumanji puja or Sai Baba puja.
Somebody asked you to do that?
No, not really. I hear a lot of podcasts, a lot of things. So they said, ki, if you want to be, in sense, more stable in terms of money, in terms of power, then Devi is the right bhakti to do. And because Lakshmi is Devi, Durga is Devi, yeah. Teen Devi. So I thought, okay, I've never done Devi Puja. And suddenly 2 years ago, somebody introduced me to Kamakshi Devi Mandir. I started going there for the first time. And that mandir has been near my house for last 30 years. I've never gone. So recently when I started going, so me and my husband
Where is this?
Kamakshi is in Vasant Kunj. It's a South
Okay.
Indian temple.
Bank opposite JNU.
Oh.
So I started going there, and when I started going there, I felt a different kind of vibe and happiness or whatever.
Yeah.
It's just gratitude in any temple.
Yeah.
In fact, my son once told me, "Mama, आपको क्या हो गया है? You have ditched Sai Baba, and now you go to Kamakshi Devi."
Yeah.
So I said, no, ऐसा नहीं है बच्चे. I still pray to Sai Baba. It's just that, it's just convenience. वो थोड़ा दूर पड़ता है, ये थोड़ा last में
And
पड़ता
plus,
है.
it's the calling, intuitively
calling,
you're like,
yes,
no,
what
I
you feel in
resonate
the
with
moment
this
is
more
what-
now.
And anyway, so then suddenly I started seeing a lot of posts. And last year I went to Dwarkadhish. I did all my 4 dhams. I went to Kedarnath, Badrinath. So I started seeing posts of Kamakhya Devi. So then I realized कि मुझे यहाँ भी जाना है. Now that I'm in that phase. So when I started, I had already planned to go to Kamakhya months before. Then by chance, somebody somewhere just told me about some, I was going through some issues. अब मुझे याद भी नहीं है because so many issues come and go and
वो
I'm like,
issues की बात हम करेंगे.
हाँ.
हाँ.
So वो issues
छोड़ेंगे
जब हुए तो उसके बाद somebody told me कि तुम ना तांत्रिक पूजा कराओ. So I was looking for a tantric in Delhi. I thought चलो See, it's not like कि कुछ होगा कि नहीं होगा. अब किसी ने
हाँ.
बोला है तो कर लो,
पर
क्या
फर्क
फर्क
पड़ा
पड़ता
उससे?
है. So then I said, अच्छा अब मैं कामाख्या देवी जा रही हूँ तो मैं वहीं पे कराऊंगी. So फर्क तो पड़ेगा ही ultimately.
Of course, it's a
Of course,
process.
It's a
yeah,
process,
it's a
yeah.
process.
Now I have a video which I want to play.
Okay.
I don't know how much comfortable it took me a lot of guts to play this, but this was put in your story, which a lot of people recorded it. It went circulating in Delhi, and then you deleted it also. Do you know which video I'm talking about?
Yeah, about my husband and mother-in-law.
Yes. What went wrong that day? What went the whole? Because you know, a lot of people are talking about it. It was posted in Diet Moor or some other portal also.
Acha, I don't know.
Yes, I think the video was there for like some time
Yeah.
where
Few minutes, yeah.
few minutes where
Are having a tea party with their relatives in my house. That's also my house. It's in my name.
Yeah, I know about this. I only said it.
yeah.
Yeah, it really had hurt me at that point.
What
Because-
see, I'll tell you something. What happens is there is a couple which goes through a lot of ups, downs, a lot of things where you know, even I go through a lot of ups and downs with my partner, and when I am so close to my people on ground, I tend to put certain things, which a lot of times doesn't work in my favor. I had no bad intention. I had nothing wrong, or somebody else also, you know. But then a lot of people look at the mentality of people, they screen recorded it and they circulated it, which I'm sure you are not aware of.
Well, that's their villas.
No, but of course, if
No,
you're
but I-
publicizing your life, then people
Yeah,
are only
people-
watching you for entertainment. They're not watching to actually
See,
care
what I
about
did,
you.
No,
what I-
but I feel like a human part should definitely play out and be like, no, this lady right now is grieving.
Yeah.
You know, let's just empathize and sympathize with her
yeah.
instead of recording it. Like, be sensitive, be
That
human.
is what
Yeah, but
social
people are
media
not there
is. They
to
are
be
not
human.
sensitive.
No, they
This
are
is
not
what
there
I
to
want
be
to
human.
know.
Okay,
They're
but
there
that's
on
where I
purpose
come
to be
from.
human.
And that's what I expect people
Right,
to do.
right. Which I salute
Personally.
you for
No, no, no.
this.
This
Yeah,
this
but it's
whole thing
like-
was I went through whatever my husband and mother-in-law did. I think they had no such intention per se to hurt me. They didn't even realize it. They were only trying to actually impress their relatives or make them feel comfortable, but without understanding the situation. You know, I mean, they actually forgot what I was going through. It was just 1.5 hours ka difference, you know,
Yeah.
after my dad's death. So I was shaken.
But you
So-
think that was their way of not focusing on the sad part which was happening? Like
Maybe it was not important.
सबका अपना
Maybe
तरीका होता है
Okay,
ना?
I'll just tell you what
Yeah.
my dadi had told me
Yeah.
personally is that the relatives that it was said definitely not needed or important or whatever. But since we're talking about it, what she told
Right.
me is that they don't climb stairs. Okay, so so they wanted
they're
to give
very
their
old.
condolences.
Right.
So that's why
No, no,
they
they
went
didn't
back.
come for condolences. Umesh was
No,
not.
they
involved.
didn't come for condolences, but they wanted to give.
Hmm.
And hence, and my dadi or my dad are not like people who can communicate very easily about what exactly their intention was or is,
Right.
you know.
Right. Yeah. Yes. you were
Anyway, that's the granddaughter.
saying.
Regardless, it was with no bad intention, and there is
Okay, no, they should have been a little more considerate.
you cannot expect people to be in particular.
Yeah, so if they were not, then I was hurt.
Which you said in public.
Yeah, I
Then
was
when you
hurt.
said in public, then why did you delete it?
Because my children said this.
Yeah, because what the hell? Like, what's wrong? Like,
Like,
sad,
Hannah
sad,
was
sad.
posted
It's
in
like-
a group of
no, it's like
13
if mom
close
and I have a
friends.
fight and she starts
Yeah.
posting about that, it's like, where is the family? You know, like if we're all apart.
But
Then what's-
Dia, that is what a public figure is all
But
about. Nothing
no,
is
I'm
personal.
Sorry,
that-
you don't have to share every detail.
But
You
you
do
have
have
to
to,
be
like, you're not
personal
entitled to
there.
them.
Not at all. We were
That is
actually
her.
really pissed at her. Like
No.
we were just like, this is
But
not
that
cool.
is
Because it's
her.
not affecting. It's not affecting just her. She's publicizing her entire family, out of which we are also a part
But then everybody do it. That is, see, again, as you said, you have a different mindset. You have a different mindset. That is my first
Yes,
question of the
but,
show was,
like-
you have a barrier.
Mm.
That what you show and what you don't show, it's up to you.
Yeah, but you
What
have to
she
realize
did-
she's not talking to people on social media who are caring for her. She's talking to people who are only there
Both
following
sides.
her for the goodness that she
So
shows.
we have young generation also who कस के रखती
ठीक
हैं.
है, they are right in their way, and I respect their views. That's why I deleted it. Because, you know, how much ever we think we are right, we can be wrong.
Very well.
You know, I cannot put away a 31-year-old relationship for something like this. Because how much ever it may hurt me, I still have my children.
Yes.
I still have, you know, a family. So sometimes, you know, you have to let go of your egos and your hurt.
But I'll tell you something now. When this video was out, and it came to me after 7 days. It came to me after 7 दिन. तो वो 7 दिन तक कहाँ घूमा होगा? वो मुझे भी नहीं पता. I was sitting, you know, when this video came to me, I was with my family, having dinner with Rahul's sisters, everybody. It was the occasion of someone's birthday, and I was there. This video was there. Of course, I shared with Rahul and not with others, out of privacy. Rahul told me one thing, that is her way to connect. That is what you are known for. Then why is somebody judging you? Because people have only made you Meenakshi Dutt.
That's true.
And
Public
people
has
only
made me.
judge you. Yeah, public
If,
only judge you.
public has made me. If I'm not in public, I'm nobody today.
Whatever you are,
Whatever.
you are saying your
If I'm
morning
not
stories,
in public,
night stories,
If I
parties,
don't put
everything.
stories regularly, or if I'm not seen regularly, my brand is shut. I have to be on the face
Yes.
for everything I do.
You are giving takkar to so many makeup artists out there that we have seen it. Your
Of
energy,
every
your
generation.
power of every generation.
For every generation.
Every
People-
generation. Right.
So yeah.
Yeah. Why do you think that went wrong? Because it's a personal life and this and that. She didn't think that was wrong.
Yeah, because she's the one in hurt. When you are coming from a place of pain, you don't think about how it's affecting anybody else.
That
You
was
can
her
react
way of
in
taking it out.
yeah, and exactly in that way, anyone can behave in any manner towards her. Does that make it right?
She doesn't care for what people are thinking.
She cares for what her family thinks. That's why she was
That's
okay
why
with it
she-
being deleted.
yes.
Only
And
because of
same way,
family.
we
Only
only
because of
see
family.
if I wasn't a part of the business, I would not care. If I did not, if my father and mother were not public figures, I would not care. I would just be like, okay, my mom wants to chat, whatever she wants, not my problem. You know, few family members will see it. How does it matter? At the end of the day, when you talk so much goodness and you know positivity, and you're teaching so many people so many good things, you're so inspiring. This seems like very steep down. You know, you're drawing levels down. In the way, I don't mean that it's actually drawing levels down.
No, because she
It is
was in
also
that mental
growth.
state.
It is also growth, and she's not in the space or the mental, you know, surrounding or environment to encapsulate what is going on entirely. She's not in control of her behavior, which is totally understandable, absolutely fine from a daughter's point of view. But see, if it was me, I could have said anything I wanted, shut my Instagram off, and not cared. But I don't own MDM. You know, I have the opportunity and the luxury to shut my life off and be like, I don't want to be a part of any of this. My life sucks and I want to like just be, right? She, unfortunately or fortunately for her, she's married, in my eyes, she's married to her work. And she has to care about it and herself and what she puts out to sustain that and to build on it. So, in that sense, if you are a public figure who constantly talks about so many beautiful things, which she does and she is, so somewhere down the line, your ego or your pain has to be channeled in a way that is truly helping you, not just in a way to throw it out. That's what I mean.
I feel, I have seen, we all have seen, you love Unmeshji. You respect him to the core. I think it was just one chance where she was going through a very bad phase.
It was
and she
on my
did it.
dad's death day.
Yes.
And can I also remind you that
It
my
was
dad
not
was
any
very
other
ill.
day.
Your dad's dead. Yeah,
He
but
died
it's
just
something,
2 hours. This happened after 2 hours. In 1.5 hours. And अब तो details मैंने बताई भी नहीं है. So, you know, I mean, it was something like the
तो वो
day
गुस्सा
was.
अभी भी है थोड़ा सा उन पे because he's your husband, he's your partner, आप कर सकते हो गुस्सा यार.
गुस्सा तो
That's
देखो
nothing
कभी
is wrong.
कभी नहीं.
Tomorrow you will also
वो
have a
उस
fight
उस
with
उस
your
उस दिन का
partner.
गुस्सा मेरा शायद कभी नहीं जाएगा. In the sense कि obviously I will not carry it on in terms of
Yeah.
showing it to him or our mother-in-law. But हाँ वो एक मेरे अंदर जो मेरा वो break हो गया था heart वो नहीं जुड़
वो
सकता.
dent.
वो dent नहीं जा सकता. That is gone. That dent will be
I
there.
love you for being honest. You have no
Yeah.
idea how
That
much I
I-
love
that-
you for being honest.
how much ever I will, people say forgive, forget, but it was my dad. It was my dad.
But did you think about? Okay, you need water.
No, I'm
You
okay.
need a hug from your daughters. Yeah.
No, I have got to hug.
Tell me, do you think that the intention, as what she was mentioning, the intention was not wrong, or they didn't portray it in the right way? Something which
I
you
think
didn't
it was
understand, or you read their
being
mind too fast.
selfish.
We won't discuss more about that.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I disagree. I think there's so much more depth, more in that. This is just a one point of view.
This is one point of
Yes.
view. Yeah.
Everybody has a point of view.
Everyone
Yeah,
has it.
exactly.
Yeah, yes, yes. I have one more video. Let's excuse the rumor. When there are 90% of people who supported you in this video, by the way. There are like 90% of people.
बस ठीक है, जब 90% support कर दिया तो best है.
Yes.
Judgment pass.
So there is a video where I have. Oh yes, I've saved it. Not comfortable. Just ask me to move on. I'll move on. There are a lot of things which were going on, and which one of your students apparently put blames on you on social media, which I'm sure you will.
Hi, hi, Billa
so,
Kam. I don't even
And-
want to discuss this because this
It's not
actually
worthwhile.
is not even worth
But
my minute.
There was stories on her platform which she was saying ki aapko and I didn't like the way she said.
She's crass.
Yeah.
She's crass.
So I just
Who wants to even waste?
मेकअप अकेडमी में जाओगे उनकी वेबसाइट खोल के तो जब नीचे करोगे तो नीचे स्क्रॉल करोगे तो उन्होंने बड़े ही प्राउडली शीना जी का नाम लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे एंड यही शीना जी बोल रही हैं कि उन्होंने किसी से सीखा नहीं. व्हाट इज दिस यार, व्हाट इज दिस? एटलीस्ट अपने गुरु को नमन करते हैं, गुरु की मूर्ति बना के उसकी भी पूजा करते हैं. आप अपने गुरु को ही बोल रहे हो कि आप देखोगे कि क्या सिखाया है उन्होंने तो हंसोगे. व्हाट द भाई जो मीनाक्षी दत्त नाथ है वो हमारी भोपाल जिला सीनियर है, पिछले 25 साल से वो इसी इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हैं. एंड गाइस जो अपने गुरु का नहीं हो सकता किसी का नहीं हो सकता.
so basically she is a supporter of
Yeah.
yeah. And there was a different segment where they blamed you, and then there was you commented.
Nobody
on
could
the-
blame me.
Yeah.
Nobody could blame me because see, the thing is, I'll tell you.
Yeah. What happened? Why
I'll
this
tell
whole thing
you.
started?
She won like any other. She has been my student many years
Hmm.
ago. I think 7 or 8 years ago.
Hmm.
And even while she was in the academy,
Hmm.
initially though she was a very simple choti bana ke salwar सूट वाली लड़की. मेरे पाँव छुरी है, लिटरली पाँव छूती थी. आप उसके माँ बाप आए एडमिशन देने, पाँव आपने इसको देखना है, ये करना है, बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा सिखाया आपने. जैसे she said मुझे नहीं सिखाते थे. And I have pictures of her in every. I have 10 pictures of her in every class, standing with me and learning from me. Okay, and anyway, whatever her grudges were, and she even at that time when she was a student, she was trying to do politics even that time. तो उसको डांटा था मैंने, मुझे clearly याद है. I said अगर तुम ऐसे करोगे, we will throw you out of the academy because you cannot play politics in an academy. It's like an institution where you have to respect. क्लास में भी जब कोई बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं तो टीचर्स डांटती है ना. तो मुझे याद है उसको मैंने डांटा था. सर I will throw you out of the class if you behave like this. I remember that. उसके बाद of course she started doing better. She went to Jaipur. She used to message me from Jaipur that ma'am मुझे ये problem है, ये कैसे करें, whatever. I was always trying to help her on WhatsApp or whatever. And very sweetly, even on Instagram chat, she used to say a lot of good things about me and whatever. Very happy for her. Suddenly, sometimes success लोगों से हजम नहीं होता है. वो एकदम जो भी उसको न्यू फाउंड सक्सेस मिला उससे हजम नहीं हुआ. And then maybe she was telling people, see what happens is when you are saying कि तुम मेरी academy में आओ, मीनाक्षी दत्त के मत जाओ. So लोग अगर ये बोलेंगे कि तुमने वहां से सीखा है, तो फिर कैसे आप चलाओगे अपनी academy? Like Kriti DS, even she has learned from me. Yashika Makeovers has learned from me. Yashika still accepts it. Kriti DS doesn't accept it. But ठीक है भाई. I remember उसने मेरी फोटो लगाई थी शुरू में अपने दरवाजे पे सर्टिफिकेट लेते हुए 2 साल. Kriti DS ने. But she denied it later. अपनी वेबसाइट पे भी लिखा था मेरा नाम एक टाइम पे. हटा दिया. जो भी है भाई. What I'm saying is कि they have to also have to run a business. So when they run an academy and then when they tell people कि हमने यहाँ से सीखा है, then people start judging them, you know. कि हम आपसे क्यों सीखे हैं, आपने तो वहां से सीखा है, you know what I mean? So to get business, they have to say this, which is fine. We understand that ultimately everybody has to see their benefits. So, so acha, thing is, because she said it loud and clear on social media.
Did you see her stories?
Yeah, I did few.
You
whichever-
saw her stories?
No.
No. You know what I'm talking about?
Hmm.
Yeah, you saw
And
the stories.
this was happening one night before my master class in Toronto.
Yes.
And it's daytime here,
Yes.
and I in middle of night I'm sleeping, and people like are calling me, and and सुबह उठ के मुझे master class का तैयार होना है. Can you imagine? Then ultimately, I told my son, I said, you just handle whatever you want. So we had her pictures, we had her screenshots. So we just clarified.
Where?
ये हमारी also stories.
Ah.
We clarified that she is a student.
Play that now.
Play that.
No,
You
so-
saved this, not that.
So no, I played the video, which is
I
on
didn't
table.
do. No.
I didn't.
I will not stoop to this level of giving that
This is
person
what I wanted
this
to
much
know.
importance कि
What
मैं
stopped
वीडियो
you?
बनाऊंगी उसके लिए.
But what stopped you?
Are you mad? You think I'm so
So
villa?
what? While
There
I'm
were so
telling
many
you-
people
No,
talking about this
just-
story.
God.
No.
No.
It's like people just need something
You know,
exciting that peaks and then it
Exciting,
drops
yeah.
down.
And let me tell you, it is entertainment for others. And you know what happens is when you lie, then like she was lying. So when you're a liar, then you need to clarify more. But when I am honest, when everything is सच्चे इंसान को ना भौंकने की जरूरत नहीं होती है.
Because everybody was seeing things back to back in her stories. Nobody saw anything in your story.
My stories
This
was
is a good thing.
My story was just she taking a certificate and she her chats with me. That was my story. Period. उसके आगे ना हमारे पास टाइम है, ना इतनी हम किसी को इम्पोर्टेंस देंगे, ना ही हम एक झूठ को कैसे जो झूठ बोल रही है उसको हम क्या आर्ग्यू करेंगे उसके साथ. इतनी एनर्जी कौन वेस्ट करेगा अपनी सभी.
Right.
ये ना झूठे आदमी से बहस करने से बेटर है चुप हो जाओ. That is the best.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's for you guys.
Yeah.
That's for you. Now the last round is a rapid fire round.
Yes.
Are you girls ready for it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the rule this time is this is the hamper, the most luxurious hamper that is very heavy, super heavy. Only one will take it. You won't share, na? Anybody who will get it won't share with the family members, right?
If Mama gets it, then
Yeah.
everybody shares.
Yeah. Okay, great. So I'm going to start with the rapid fire round where I'm going to ask you questions. If you want to say, so it's going to be question, answer, answer, answer. Question,
Oh,
answer, answer, answer.
Okay.
Question, answer, answer, answer. So one question, three answers.
Oh, okay.
So if you will say no, I don't want to answer, I'm going to take out one thing from the hamper and give it to me.
Okay, got it.
Okay? ठीक है?
If it is you, मतलब you'll never get it.
No.
No.
This question answer for the very first time, it is not on anybody, it is on the makeup.
Okay.
I'm going to ask the basic questions on makeup and you guys have to answer it. Even if you want to fight, I would love to see that.
Hmm.
Before I move on to my last round, I want to know a question to मुझे आप दोनों से पूछना है. One is, when are you getting married? When are you going to have children? I'm talking like a
I'll answer for the
proper
both of us.
Punjabi, yeah.
Not anytime soon.
No,
You wait.
anytime soon. This is the answer. तो जो भी पूछ रहा है ना कि कब है जब वो चने खाते हुए जो Ninakshi ma'am was like, oh God, what to do now? No, nothing
No.
is happening soon. You're happy.
Please, I am too busy in my own life. अभी तो मेरे पास ही टाइम नहीं है ना इनके बच्चे पालने का ना ऐसी शादी का. अभी टाइम I need to work on myself.
How powerful you feel around with that the powerful ducks. How powerful you feel? How
feel the
how
power
when
I
you
have.
go in public?
I don't necessarily feel any power when I'm in public. I feel just as me,
Yeah.
and it's just me. It's not
What
anything to
about
do with
you?
my name or
Yeah.
a title, nothing.
What about you, Nathan?
Powerful. I
I think
feel
we are just hardworking people.
I feel energized when I'm around them. I feel
Right.
very motivated.
Right. Great, yeah. Now let's see your motivation, your energy, and your answers. Okay, let's do this. Where did you learn your makeup from?
UK, Southampton.
Ma'am, where did you learn your makeup from?
Me, I wish I had learned from UK, Southampton too.
Acha,
But
okay.
in my times, there was no option.
Right.
I learned from the dadas of Mumbai when I was
Right.
modeling in Mumbai.
Right.
So whatever they were, doing, I used to ask them. That's how I learned.
Right. So self-learn
Yeah.
majorly.
No, I did a hair course from Blossom Coaches Academy.
Right.
I did a hair course from her, which was very, very helpful. So, I mean, there was no styling, but I learned cutting, I learned coloring, I learned a lot of, so I could, and then just being around Mrs. Kocher was amazing. Yeah.
Great. You were saying something.
Yeah, I want to add that I've been doing makeup since I was 6 years old because mom got me a makeup kit for kids, and I used to do makeup on my friends. And then I had a phase of no makeup.
Right.
And then when I was probably like in 8th or 9th grade, I was the only girl who would go out to parties or even friends' houses with eyeliner, foundation, also lagana bhi nahi aata,
Right.
but I would just go with it. And I think watching mom, that's the first place I would say I learned makeup from.
Right.
And glamour or whatever. I would even wear her heels when she was out. I would take her kajal and paint my own face. So I grasped makeup.
So
And-
again, self-learn.
And
grasping.
I educated myself at MDM Academy.
Right.
I would go in my high school. I would go during my holidays every alternate day or something, and I would learn. So before I graduated school, I have pictures of doing like full face bridal makeup also on the staff there. So I think makeup has just been something that has been more ingrown in my life. I never
In
even
blood.
thought of it as something you need to like seriously learn. And the
Right.
learning I had in Southampton, UK was more about the conceptual learning and education, not just
Right.
practical application
Right.
of
But
makeup.
practical you learn from.
100%.
Yeah.
What about you?
Professional makeup,
Right.
MDM, but I feel like, every young girl, we have this thing, eyeliner, lipstick, mascara.
Right.
So we do it.
Nathan, tell me something. Okay, sorry, it just clicked me. You are a model, an influencer, right? How fake you think your industry is, or how real, or how good? or
I
bad?
don't think anyone's fake now.
Good
It's
or
just
bad?
a persona that you put on in front of the camera. It's an alter ego. You're like, no, I want to be this person, and you think about that person, and then you are that person.
Hmm.
So it's not fake, but I feel like you boost your confidence.
So it's good or bad, totally depends on the person.
Yeah, and the people perceiving it.
Right. Okay, great. Let's start this. First question. Answer. Okay. Which of these three products will help in even out your skin texture? Option 1, bronzer, primer, concealer.
Primer.
Concealer.
Primer.
Primer is the answer. So 1, 0.
Same texture.
Yeah.
Yes. Hear the question.
tone.
Mom.
Yeah.
No
So-
tone.
Color theory class.
मैं
Okay.
fail हो गई इन दोनों क्लास
Okay. How often you replace your mascara? Options are every month, every 6 months, every 12 months, every 3 months.
Every month.
Preferably 3 months.
Every month
When
for
it
me,
gets
'cause
over.
Yeah, because it gets over.
Option
मेरा 3 months में खत्म
3
हो जाता
months.
है
3.
Three.
You're the winner. Every month.
1 month.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, girl, check the packaging.
हाँ ये पैकेजिंग पर फेंकता कौन है
नहीं, I'm like, wand को भी. Now this mascara, but this wand when you use
मेरे
it.
mascara से मैं ज़्यादा लगाती हूँ, so it's done.
Great. So 2,
Two.
0,
One.
1. What is banana powder used for? 1, adding shimmer. 2, setting makeup and concealer.
Setting makeup and concealer.
same
Second.
1. Like
Hello,
1
two.
point. So 2,
Ah.
1, 3. True or false? We use light color under the brow.
Yes.
True?
Yes.
yeah
True?
Highlighter,
True?
yes.
4,
highlighter
2, 2. 4
Three.
4 to 3. Sorry, you remember your own marks, okay? Because I'll forget. So 4, 2, 3. Okay. Which actress owns the Honest Company? Honest Company makeup range. Okay. Option 1, Julia Roberts. Option 2, Jennifer Aniston. Option 3, Jessica Alba.
Jessica Alba.
Jessica Alba
I have no idea.
So
even I have not heard
4,
yeah
5.
5,
4
3,
3
3. 5, 3, 3. Come on.
You should have said road or something.
Okay. One overhyped makeup artist.
Jacqueline Hill.
Okay.
I find her overhyped.
Okay.
International.
Where India, मैं तो
Oh,
दिल्ली का
India.
सुनना
Oh,
चाह रहा हूँ.
I can say that also.
Yeah.
Lina Bhushan.
Okay.
I think she's overhyped.
Okay.
Parul Garg.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Kriti DS.
Kriti DS, Parul Garg, and Leena
I think
Bhushan.
Agatha Diaz
No.
is not even hyped. Forget about overhyped.
Then who?
She said it.
Okay.
So you said
Lina Bhushan.
I said Parul Garg.
मुझको नहीं मालूम उतने.
एक ले लो नाम.
ये
Yeah, we
तो
find
लोगों
out
जानती नहीं है.
But she took the name. She took
Yeah,
the
she
name.
did.
Yes. Okay. What is the
किसको
best
मिला ये?
way? हाँ?
ये किसको मिला?
क्या?
ये वाला राउंड किसको मिला?
वो तो मैं बताऊंगा ना best
That's
answer. Yeah.
that he will
yeah.
decide.
So what is the best way to deal with clumsy eyelashes? Option 1, use tissue to remove the excess. Option 2, use brow comb to remove the excess.
Brocom.
Spoolie.
Brocom.
Yeah,
Hmm.
Brocom, yeah.
That's
Yes.
spoolie. It's called a spoolie
again.
in our
Yeah, so
language.
you remember your marks. Okay, one again. Right answer. Okay,
Okay, 6.
2 brands you really want to work with.
Fenty Beauty. Two brands.
brands.
Gucci Beauty.
Okay, just like that.
For me, it's always because I come from the era of MAC. It's always MAC.
Oh.
And one more.
And one more would be lately Makeup by Mario.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
2 brands
Rare
you want to work with.
and K Beauty. I like what she's doing.
Amazing. Okay, one regret in life.
Ooh, well, the only regret I have is that Bhai and I had an option to go to an orchestra in London and we didn't go.
That's your regret in life.
I don't have any regrets.
Okay, one regret in life.
One regret in life being a faithful wife.
She is available. Any hot person with money and good humor, please. She is available, guys. I'm telling you. I don't know about them. But I know about
I'm
her.
always
She
available.
is available.
But I-
Season 1 से बोलती है.
But she has no time.
She has no time. Season 1 से she's saying, I am single. I am available. Season 4 पे पहुंच गया.
तुम सीजन 4 में कह रहे हो
8 पे
मैं
पहुंच
मेरा
गया.
31 साल लीगल वेडिंग को हो गया है
But yeah, she
मैं
is
तब से
available.
बोल ही रही हूँ
I love this answer. इसको चौके मार दिया इस answer ने. One regret in life.
Abhi nahi, I'm too young.
Too young
आगे
for
हो
a
सकते
regret. Yeah, no regrets. Nothing.
No, I'm happy
Yeah.
with all the
Like
decisions
she
I've made
left
so far.
orchestra. And
No regret.
you must have left AP Dylan's concert or something. No regret. No? Okay, great. Primer makes your makeup last longer. True or false?
Fall.
For me, true.
True.
They won.
Oh, shit.
Yes.
Okay.
So again, fine.
I'll tell you because I always thought it's false and I thought it's an overhyped thing. But when I started applying it on my own self and the good primers, I realized it works. Even on my clients, it reduces the fine lines, it reduces, and also it's protecting my skin.
Got it.
So, yeah.
Yeah, also I want to add, it depends on the primer you're using
True.
for your skin type.
Okay, but then yeah.
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Lifespan of a makeup artist or model.
Lifespan? What do you mean by lifespan? Like a
Career.
career span? It could be for a model and makeup artist. For makeup artist, it could be your whole life. For model, it could be short span. It could be a decade. It could be 15 years. If you're a model that ages into modeling, then you can
Like
take it forward.
me.
Yes,
Like
like my
you.
mom, as
So
the
I
example
think
she
The
what's
gave.
your answer?
lifespan of a model
And a makeup
and
artist.
a makeup artist
Exactly.
is forever.
Ever. What do you think?
Makeup artist, if you're up with the trends, then you'll always be trending.
Right.
And model, if you're active, if you're fit, if you look good, 40, 45,
Age, not
Age.
years.
not
Yeah.
age.
Yes. Okay.
That's a little, normally very few.
But it depends how
make it,
active you are, like how good your skin is,
At the-
experience.
but I think modeling life is for 10 years, then they're the peak.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
After that, then they don't.
Thoda
get
decline
the-
hota hai because then
Yes.
competition kicks in.
Absolutely. Now, this is tricky. What color lipstick shade works best for colored teeth? Discolored teeth. Sorry.
Mhm.
Again, what color lipstick shade works for discolored teeth?
Yeah.
Option 1, neutral shades. Option 2, blue-based reds. Option 3, brown.
Reds.
I would say neutral shades.
I would say brown.
You won.
Really
It's
red?
blue-based reds.
Blue based reds.
Works
Okay.
for discolored
Oh.
teeth.
Oh,
Yellow होता है ना अंदर से तो reds.
Right. Okay.
Okay, they
How
brighten it
often
up.
you should wash your makeup brushes? Options are every week, every month, every 3 months.
Every week.
Every week.
I would say a month. I do months.
Every week.
Every week is the right answer.
See, yeah, हम लोग खुद नहीं करते हैं तो every day भी हो जाता है but अगर खुद करना पड़े तो हाँ फिर तो month ही निकल जाएगा.
Yeah, so every week is the right answer. by
But
the
yeah,
way.
week,
Yeah.
week, yeah.
One actor or a model you have a crush on.
Since childhood, Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor.
I would, Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah,
Hrithik
man, that was
Roshan?
my answer.
Oh, yeah.
Acha.
There's
Ranbir or
more.
Hrithik?
Hrithik.
Hrithik. Okay.
अब मेरे तो crushes हो गए और जो नए crushes हैं they look like my sons. So I am left stranded.
You can still say Tom
was-
Cruise.
I can say no.
Brad
It was
Pitt.
always Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah.
It's always Shah Rukh Khan.
She just mentioned right before the show when she was in New York and there was a Pride month which was going on. She had crush on almost every guy, but the guy was gay.
No, I didn't have a
so-
crush actually. I was just trying to feel that crush. वो हो नहीं रहा था तो you know
Then Shah Rukh Khan.
crush तो Shah
Who
Rukh
is your a model? Come on, a model.
Hrithik Roshan. Ever since I saw koi Kaho Na Pyar Hai,
Hai.
I'm like, who is this gorgeous man right there? And till date, he looks beautiful.
Yeah, he's like so
he's like that Greek god.
magnificent.
Wow. Last question. One word for today's makeup artist, model,
Oh.
influencer. One word. One word for a makeup artist, today's makeup artist, and today's influencer.
My word would be
one word.
Yeah,
One-
one word for
one
today's
word.
makeup industry and influencing industry.
just look deeper and closer.
Yeah,
Like,
they are not
is
focused.
that considered a word?
Yes.
It's a
No, not
statement, so
focused.
yeah.
They're not
Yeah,
stay-
like look deeper and closer.
stay focused.
Stay very, very focused.
Right.
Yeah.
Don't ape.
Hmm.
Be
Yes.
original.
Which you also learned after so many years, but you learned it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's just aping each other.
Yeah.
You don't know who's. It's like there's just no individuality of
Exactly.
anyone's makeup. Yeah.
Right.
No depth.
Currently, influencing is at its peak.
Hmm. Very
Mm.
well said. So peak is your word. Before I say goodbye to you all, because I got this opportunity that three powerful women, तीन देवियां मेरे सामने बैठी हैं, मुझे एक सवाल पूछना है आप लोगों से, okay? बहुत डिबेट होती है इस क्वेश्चन पे. Did you like the movie Animal?
I enjoyed the movie.
Did you like the movie Animal?
Ah.
Yeah, we all
Yes.
You liked
We
it.
watched it together.
There is a debate.
And my daddy watched it with us.
My mother-in-law loved it.
Yeah.
And I was telling my husband, I said, मम्मी को छोड़ देते हैं. बहुत controversy है मूवी
Yes.
में, बहुत गन बोल रहे हैं लोग,
Yes.
छोड़ देते हैं. But my husband says, नहीं लेके चलते हैं. And when we woke up, we were watching it together, and उसमें directors करते सब लेते हुए जब उठे. So I asked my mother-in-law, कहती क्या picture थी? क्या picture
So tell me something. Now in Bollywood, I am sure Javed Akhtar Saab and Kangana Ranaut mentioned in their story, a movie is liked by women today. In that movie, a woman is being asked to lick a sandal. In that movie, a woman is being cheated after marriage. In that movie, I love movie by the way. I love that film. Before that, because I was listening to these stories, I was like, हाँ यार ये लोग सही बोल रहे हैं. एक पिक्चर में एक औरत को बोला गया तो मेरे जूते चाट. एक पिक्चर में एक औरत एक वाइफ के साथ cheat हो रहा है that he's dating her. But when I was like मुझे नहीं देखनी ये movie, and it took me a lot of time when
But
it
when you
got
see
to
the
Netflix.
movie,
But it's like, you see, when
So I want to
when
know
you
your point
see,
of view.
I'll tell you, when
Hmm.
I watch any type of artwork, which I consider cinema, however people might say it's very influential, the masses watch it, I'm watching it for my experience
Hmm.
and entirely how I would feel about it without thinking of external factors, which is a benefit I think I have.
Right,
I watch it for myself. Am I enjoying this piece of work or not?
right.
Now, that also has a lot to do with how you feel.
Right.
And luckily for me, when I watched that movie, I did not find those things. Those things were things I've seen worse things in very
Mm.
different platforms or even films
Right.
of different languages, everything.
And genre.
So exactly.
Mm.
So I was like, just because this is a hyped Bollywood film, it's getting that extreme controversy
And
factor to
attention
it, but
for
I
wrong
didn't
reasons.
see it in that light. Just for myself, because
In
I'm here
fact,
to
these
enjoy.
two issues that were picked up actually, probably I didn't even notice them that much
Hmm.
because overall the movie was so
It was
good.
so powerful.
Mm.
It was so fun,
powerful, yeah.
What do you
exciting.
think?
And then, it's anyway, it's cinema.
Right.
So some things will be good, some things will not be good. So I see it as entertainment,
Hmm.
not something to take home and
Hmm.
And then men cheating on women and people are talking like this. Well,
कि मेरे पाँव की जूती चाट
मेरे,
रहे हैं or something. So
Yeah,
that line
but
was
she
there
didn't
in the
actually
film.
like it. It didn't happen.
it
You
didn't
know.
happen.
It didn't.
didn't
Exactly
happen,
my point. When I
yeah.
saw the movie, I was like, why?
Who
But
are
I'll
we?
tell you, like there are so many weird things I have seen. I have watched some really messed up movies. So for me, this was like, what is this? Like I watched this movie in it's a Korean film, if I'm not wrong.
Old
It's called
Boy.
Old Boy.
Oh God,
Like
what a
that is
movie!
like
it's good.
intense. It's super,
No, it
super.
really disturbs you.
No, it doesn't disturb you. It's a very
No,
good
it
movie.
does.
Watch
If
it.
does.
Animal
I have
can,
to see it.
please don't.
It's really
But Animal disturbed you?
No,
no.
You loved it?
Animal was like
Yeah.
a Bollywood movie, you know.
Mhm.
And I think people have the notion that, oh, the Indian audience is like this, so why are we putting out work like this? But excuse me, the person who is creating this work is creating it from themselves,
Right.
you know.
Right.
And you can always pick up things that are good, bad, not suitable for the society to see or learn from. But at the end of the day, like, you need to be clear in your conscience. So like,
So you are in
what's the
favor
big
of the
deal?
movie Animal? Like
I
the
feel
way
like
I
a
am.
movie is a movie. Watch it as a
Yeah,
movie.
watch
It's
it as a
fiction.
movie.
You
It's
work
just
out.
fiction
When
and
you
it's
watch
art.
Krish, you don't be like Hrithik Roshan उड़ रहा है, नहीं उड़ रहा है ना? You know it's fiction.
हाँ.
See,
तो यहाँ
it's
पर बात
fiction.
हो रही थी नेतर in the movie about respecting a woman
यार
and
पता है
you
पता
being
है
a
क्या हो
woman.
गया आजकल It's become everything has to be a controversy. Everything has to be, a topic to discuss. Like social media क्या मिल गया लोगों को कि लोग
Exactly.
पागल हो
जब वो
गए हैं।
पागल हो गए लोग.
अरे न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना सीख लो भाई फिर से।
I have somebody at
थोड़ा
home who
सा-
reads newspaper every
थोड़ा सा
morning.
न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ोगे अपने अंदर absorb करोगे आराम से बैठोगे।
No, but also,
This
also to add,
voiceless voice that people have got to bonko
it's
on
not
social
even
media.
voice. I will tell you, it's like a sense of community. It's like if
Yeah.
like-minded people attract, whether it's on the comment section, whether it's a very large topic, it doesn't matter. It's like you have found people that agree, disagree. Where there is disagreement, there is fire. There is like, oh, entertainment.
This is
Where there is
getting too
agreement, you just get like community.
And I feel
It's
like
more
they've
like
done a fab job because people are talking about it. Like the script writers and the people who've written the dialogues.
Anyway,
Great.
the whole team went laughing the way to the bank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And part two is also coming.
like
यही हो रहा है.
Exactly.
ये movie में भी हो रहा है. आपके साथ भी यही हो
nothing
रहा है.
succeeds like success. That's
Exactly. That's the mantra.
है ना?
And time to give the hamper.
Yeah.
To be very honest, you three did amazing. Amazing.
We are
Amazing.
amazing,
But
yeah.
this time I have to give it to Ria because
Oh.
she is points ahead and honest and sensible too in many ways.
Thank you
my
very
goodness,
much,
to you.
Kirti.
She deserves
Well,
it.
sharing is caring.
Yes.
It's ours. I will be sharing.
Well, she's a good girl.
Yes.
Champagne goes to Netal.
That's all
Great,
No, we'll pop it. We don't pop it.
Yes.
amazing. Before you leave, I'll keep this back. Before you
Thank
leave,
you.
I'll start with Netal. Netal, you want to say something to all the people who are following you, love you, and welcome
I'm so happy that I'm finally here, season 4.
you. Yes.
I'm glad to be here. Hopefully, I'll be here next time as
Of
well.
course.
And I had a great time. Thank you.
Amazing.
No season happens without me.
Yes,
Ah.
of course. That's
And
true.
actually,
एक सीजन हुआ था मेरे बिना एक सीजन हुआ था
Season 2. से हमें कमी महसूस हो गई.
I
और
know.
चाहिए मसाला तो चाहिए. You want to say something to your followers who love you?
Please keep loving me and I can be a little controversial along with my good thoughts but that's being human.
Yes. Absolutely. Ria.
Thank you all for watching, and yeah, I'll just keep giving more of me as I go through my journey. And this episode in itself has been a journey. So, as you see, this is how I tend to my life. So, if you're going along with it, even if I share only a little percentage of it, it is with love and purity. So, stay tuned.
Amazing, amazing. I had blast. Before you leave, I need signatures on my cup. The Sameer Page Show. Well, this is spicy
Spicy-
sangria.
Oh, it's spicy sangria.
It's spicy sangria from Lovers.
It's a
And
beautiful red.
Yeah.
it's a beautiful red.
Can I
you
just kiss it?
Yes,
perfect, I'll
of
do that.
course. There you go. There you go.
So you
Okay.
want us
There
to
you go.
apply the
Yes.
lipstick?
Meanwhile,
Would
when
have
you are
not put
applying
body lipstick.
lipstick and
अच्छा,
you
you
want
want
mirror,
yours?
मेरा है इसमें mirror है. अभी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है तो मिरर और लिपस्टिक को लेके चलेंगे
I
ना.
want Neetu quickly when they're doing it. You belong to that era where a lot of people are going in, depression, anxiety because
Yeah.
of social media pressure.
True.
Likes नहीं आ रहे, views नहीं आ रहे.
हाँ.
How do you keep yourself mentally stable in this
I
era?
switch off Instagram.
You do.
I'm like, I'll come back to reality. I won't live in that alternate
but then,
mind-made
does it affect
reality.
you कि likes नहीं आ रहे, views नहीं आ
पहले
रहे?
होता था, but now what can you do? You just work hard and you make sure the
Well,
content that I'm putting out there hopefully
Very
will reach
good.
my audience.
Right.
That's all you
It
can
is
do.
reaching in a right way.
Oh,
You're in a
great.
fab job.
Thank you.
Where's your pout? Where's your pout? On the cup?
Can I put one more? It was not very good.
Go do it.
Okay.
I think you should capture this, no?
Yeah, he is.
Okay, not that close up.
She
Oh,
she's
that's
doing
nice. And you also have my lip liner, which I'm just going to clean. So it looks like a perfect lip shade.
She is so proper in putting lipstick. Huh? यहाँ का वहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए.
जब से पैदा हुई हूँ यही कर रही हूँ. We had this neighbor when I was in class 4th. She used to be in Cochin, in the next bungalow next to ours. And every morning when she would wake up and she would come
Here you have to
out
give me
of the
kiss.
house,
Uh.
and I would see, our mothers are very simple. They used to
Uh.
only put lipstick at parties. I'm talking about early 80s. And we have, so any woman who would see dressed was only in parties. And this lady in the morning used to come out. She had a bob cut, some naval officer's wife only. And she used to be, I used to just look out while going to school. She used to have red lipstick on her face early in the morning.
On her face.
I mean, on the
Oh,
lips. I mean,
oh.
she used to have lipstick on her lips early in the morning in early 80s when women used to put lipstick only at weddings or at parties. So she was such an influence in my life
Mom was stuck by it very
that I wake up and I put my
Really?
red
She doesn't put lip balm. She puts the peach lip oil.
Really?
And a lot of it.
मतलब lipstick तो लगा ले.
If you see her good mornings, unless they're at home or something, if she's going for a walk or anywhere, stepping out of the house, there has to be lipstick. And this is not now. This is not with Instagram world.
Right.
It
It's
has
that
been for a
time.
very long time.
Silent
Oh,
पे कर सकते हो, pouch में आएगा. Oh,
Not
So
bad. You can give this side.
nice.
You can give this side. Wow.
Nice.
This is the memory for me. अब ये किसका क्या है? Netal, ma'am, Riya.
रिया के दो
रिया
है.
Riya के दो है.
क्योंकि वो जीती है.
But thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
We created history again. One of the best episodes as I thought it will go. It was way better than that. For
अब
sure.
हमारा शो हो जाना चाहिए the Kardashians. Now it should be a
That's-
Dutch show.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like that for
Only
sure.
the only one who won't participate is Kartikeya.
I'm
But if he gets paid, he will
Anyway,
participate.
Kartikeya, I want to get him on my show for
Kartikeya is like,
sure.
show me the money, honey.
Yeah, I will make sure Kartikeya comes on my show soon. Yeah, I've been trying for him, na? Kab se
I
he's the
know.
camera
And
guy
he
or
is the best spoken person in our
I'm
Yeah,
house.
true.
He speaks the best.
And he has like
He
great
is
sense
a-
of humor.
His
He knows what to say, when to say, how to say it, how to deliver it.
Right.
That it just hits the
But
spot.
you know, we should do soon. I'm sure this is going to happen. Sir, you, Katie, you, yours, and you.
Oh, yours
It's
is
gonna be a
gone.
family.
Mine is out.
Yeah.
I can be here.
Let him come to the family.
पहले
Then we'll
family
see.
में
Yeah,
आने
come to
दो.
the
No,
family
no,
then.
That is banned.
That is bad. Thank you for watching my show. I had fun chatting with the powerful ladies of the house from the industry. I'll be back next week with new celebrities on my couch.